Improvements on the common grazing. How to divide the cost amongst shareholders. Clerks and committee members of a common grazing might have to calculate the amount of contribution due from each shareholder if an improvement to the common grazing is proposed. But how is a fair share of the cost of the improvement calculated? The allocation of the cost would normally be in proportion to the summing held by each shareholder in the grazing. The summing is best being shown as total sheep equivalents, or TSEs. TSEs are used to convert the number of cattle or horses into sheep, so that a fair calculation of everyone's share can be made. Have a look at the FAS video on how to calculate TSEs. Details of shareholders and TSE numbers can be obtained from the Crofting Commission's Grazing team. What does the calculation of contributions look like? Here's an example. A common grazing has 4 shareholders. The summings aren't equal, however, due to previous divisions and mergers. But the total TSE for the common grazing is 80. The committee proposed that a new cattle handling facility is required. The cost is £16,000. So the notice would describe the works, the cost, and then for each croft calculate out the contribution. In this example, Croft 1A has 10 TSEs, as does Croft 1B. Croft 2 has more at 20, and Croft 3 and 4 have 40. So the calculation is, for Croft 1A, £16,000 divided by 80 times the 10 TSEs, giving a contribution of £2,000. Croft 1B has the same calculation. Croft 2, with more TSEs, is a calculation of £16,000 divided by 80 times 20 TSEs. And Croft 3 and 4 is £16,000 divided by 80 times 40 TSEs, giving a total of £16,000. This calculation forms part of the Notice of Improvement, which must be given to every shareholder when a new improvement is proposed. Here's an example of the Notice of Improvement. It details the work, it gives a date, the breakdown of all the contributions, and a note to say that shareholders may get in touch with the Crofting Commission if they want to object to the proposal. To help clerks and committees work out the sums, a template for the calculation of TSEs and contributions is available from the FAS website, as a printable form or as an Excel spreadsheet. Or call the FAS advice line for guidance. It's free.